Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can generate eTIMS compliant invoices and credit note using your mobile phone. You don't need to be a registered entity. You just need to have a personal iTax PIN, which we usually call it KRA PIN, to be able to generate these invoices either locally or internationally. So this applies to the freelancers and service traders. So what basically you are supposed to do, you're supposed to hit star 222 hash, then press OK. After doing that, you'll be taken into this interface. You need to select option 5, which is the KRA services in the eCitizen portal. You also need to come to where we have the eTIMS option, which is at option 4. After that, you need to come to where we have sales invoice, click OK. Then after coming to where we have sales invoice, you need to come to where we have choose tax PIN. So just choose my tax PIN since I am the provider of the service. So it's like I'm acting as the supplier of that service. So then from that point, then you input the PIN of the customer. So the customer who you are offering the service to. So the customer who I'm offering the service to is a Kenyan. So it's just a consulting service, which I need to generate an invoice to bill that person. So it is here. Let me enter it here. Okay. Then click send. I enter the product. So the product is consultancy services. Then click OK. Quantity, you just input 1. Unit price, I'll just input just a small amount, which is 200 shilling. So I'm being told my name, the PIN of the customer, the product which I have offered, the quantity, and the unit price. Then I'll click option 98 and confirm the invoice. So when I confirm, an eTIM invoice is created directly from the eCitizen portal. So when it is created from the eCitizen portal, I can get into the eCitizen message which will pop up here and click the link. So let me open my internet so that we can see. So and I'll be directed to my invoice, which is here. So you have the option to download the invoice in your device. So as you can see, a very beautiful invoice originating from eCitizen. I didn't know KRA have progressed like this. So is non-VAT. So a non-VAT is non-VATable, so that's why it has not been charged back. So I just need an invoice to bill my customer using an eTIMS compliant invoice. So in the next video which I'm creating, I want to show you how you can issue a credit note to write off this amount from this invoice in case you make an erroneous invoice and you need to correct the amount which you had declared to the KRA or when requesting the invoice. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up so that you never miss out any of our future rolling content like this. You can reach me to get some consulting services like withholding tax services so that I can clarify to you what you need to do. Also VAT services in case you need to file your VAT, and also income tax, and also the combination of three so that we can have a short meeting and always make you compliant with KRA. Thank you for watching and God bless you.